You may have additional functions available in the menu. Professional and Satisfaction tabs are only available if enabled by your hearing care professional. Under the Hearing Lessons tab, the lessons are split into categories. By picking one, you get guidance on a listening task and then are asked to give a positive or negative feedback. Your feedback will be shared with your hearing care professional to assist with personalized follow-up. Progress overview is shown here. Back to the menu. The Professional tab shares information about your hearing care professional and offers a chat function which allows you to contact your hearing care professional, accept new adjustments from your hearing care professional, or book a time for a remote fitting via telecare. Once again, back to the menu. The Satisfaction tab is a friendly and easy way to give your hearing care professional feedback on your overall hearing experience. It's as easy as selecting the way you feel with your Rexton hearing aids now. You can rely on the Rexton app.